Welcome back to my channel. This is my very first ignition model, Pandem Toyota 86 in 1:64 scale. It was sold on 3 websites: Unbox Toys, Works, igmodel.com. I purchased this Toyota 86 within 60 seconds at unboxtoys.com, and the adrenaline level is very high, and I feel bad that my buddies who informed me, all of them couldn't got hold of anything except me, who very luckily got hold of this Toyota 86 casting. When I share this on my Instagram page, I have comments that some fail to secure the casting even within 60 seconds. And I have comments that not all 999 pieces were sold online, which I think is fair for us as consumer to have some transparency as to how many pieces were sold online. This Toyota 86 comes in a very nice presentation case, which I believe is very similar to its larger scale counterpart, limited to 999 pieces, with very elegant engraving of the Pandem logo and the Toyota 86 model, as well as the IG brand on the metal plate. Unlike one model which comes in resin, which I did a preview months ago on the prototype, link below my page, this Toyota 86 comes in diecast finishing, hence its lowest price point. However, just like its bigger scale counterparts, all the details were not spared on this casting. But true to its brand, this casting comes in high detail and precision. The casting itself is remarkable. Unlike the 1:1 Toyota 86 I came across in Toyota City in Odaiba, the Pandem kit makes this 1:64 looks very aggressive and even more dynamic. The paint job is brilliant. The blue metallic color really pops out in all angles under favorable lighting condition, and the casting comes in high gloss finish. I really like the front because it looks very aggressive, as well as the wheel set with chrome trimmings. I like how initial model tried to mimic its base with leather textures, and yet it still looks premium in plastic finish. Let's remove the Toyota 86 from its case. It's a big disappointment that it comes rose, the base is attached by screws, and the IG branding is clearly marked on the base. Overall, the IG Toyota 86 is a wonderful casting. It does not pale in comparison as compared with a TLV model. It looks very premium in close-up, and it packs a punch of details for this 1:64 casting. The side mirror with this Toyota 86 comes with mirror finish, and this Toyota 86 just looks fantastic even when viewed from many different angles. I hope more collectors will get what they want in the next upcoming sale, if there's any, with all the units put out for sales. Thanks everyone for tuning in to my channel. Bye!